Hey there, friends! Ever feel like your stomach is staging a full-blown protest? Bloating, acid reflux, IBS, you name it, it's like your gut is mad at you for no reason.
But what if I told you that nature has some secret weapons to calm things down? Meet slippery elm, marshmallow root, and Triphala, the ultimate dream team for digestive health.
Stick around, and we will show you how these three power-packed herbs can help soothe your gut, fix your digestion, and keep things running smoothly.
Plus, we will share the easiest ways to use them at home.
Let's get into it! Chapter 1. Why slippery elm and marshmallow root are gut superheroes.
1. They create a protective shield for your stomach. Imagine your digestive system as a road, and acid reflux is like potholes wrecking the ride. Slippery elm and marshmallow root create a gel-like coating that protects your stomach and intestines from irritation.
This means
A. Less acid burning your throat. B. Smoother digestion without irritation. C. Faster healing if you have got ulcers or gastritis.
2. They calm down inflammation.
Think of inflammation like a fire in your gut. These herbs act like fire extinguishers, helping with
A. IBS symptoms like cramping and diarrhea. B. Healing irritated gut lining. C. Better digestion overall.
Tree bonus benefits, you bet.
Beyond digestion, these two can help with
A. Constipation relief. B. An immune system boost. C. A stronger gut lining to keep bad stuff out.
Chapter 2. Triphala, the ancient gut whisperer. Now let's talk about Triphala, an Ayurvedic powerhouse made of 3 fruits that work together to
1. Kickstart your digestion.
helps break down food properly so it doesn't just sit in your stomach, causing bloating and acid reflux.
2. Support healthy gut bacteria.
Feeds the good bacteria and keeps the bad ones in check, reducing issues like gas and bloating.
3. Get things moving.
Struggling with constipation? Triphala gently encourages regular bowel movements without harsh laxatives.
Chapter 3. The ultimate herbal trio for digestive issues. Now, what happens when you combine all 3? You get a powerful natural remedy for chronic digestive conditions like
1. GERD and acid reflux.
A. Slippery elm and marshmallow root protect your esophagus. B. Triphala helps move food through your stomach properly. C. Less acid, less irritation, less pain.
2. Ulcers and gastritis.
E. Forms a protective layer over ulcers. B. Helps fight bad bacteria like H. pylori. C. Promotes healing and reduces inflammation.
Tree, IBS, and leaky gut.
A. Repairs the gut lining to prevent toxins from leaking into your system. B. Soothes bloating, cramping, and diarrhea. C. Keeps digestion smooth and pain-free.
4. Constipation and bloating relief.
A. Triphala keeps you regular. B. Slippery elm and marshmallow root make elimination way more comfortable.
Chapter 4. How to use these herbs for maximum benefits. Now that you know how awesome these herbs are, let's talk about how to actually use them in your daily routine.
1. Tea or infusion.
Steep 1 teaspoon each of slippery elm and marshmallow root in warm water for a gut-soothing drink. Add half a teaspoon of Triphala powder before bed to help with digestion overnight.
2. Capsules or powder.
Take 500 milligrams each of slippery elm and marshmallow root, plus 1 gram of Triphala once or twice daily.
3. Healing paste.
Mix the powders with warm water and take it like a gut-repairing shot.
Chapter 5. Final thoughts. So there you have it. Slippery elm, marshmallow root, and Triphala, a natural, science-backed solution to soothe your gut, fix digestive issues, and improve overall health.
But always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements to ensure they are safe for your specific health needs.
If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips.
And let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these herbs before? What's your favorite way to use them? Let's chat below.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.